Good afternoon, welcome. This is Waec year 2020 English test of oral past question. Question number 15. So the same instruction is also applicable to this particular question, which says that we should look out for the option that has the same vowel sound as in the given word. And the given word, in the given word, letter A, U are underlined, and by transcription and pronunciation this word is pronounced as fort. So we have or fort. We have long or in its transcription fort. So we have long or. The option A is pronounced as brought. So we have long or two in the transcription. The option B is pronounced as bear. The O there stand as air should sound bear. The option C is pronounced as earn, not low, earn. Then while option D is pronounced as laugh, long a. So by this transcription, option A is correct because option A has the same vowel sound as in the given word, particularly the underlying letter. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure you subscribe for more of our videos.